That's the noise that cocks make. So same thing at safety. That is off. This is for switch the barrel. So this the over gonna shoot first, and you go like this. The under gonna shoot first, but I like the over shoot first, and then so same like knock them off, and then just try shoot 2 shots because you get so you're going just go 1 2. Then same just aim for that same rock, and then cover the bead with the rock.
What bead?
You see the bead? Make the no put the rock on top of the bead. Cover the bead because the thing shoots low. Shotguns usually shoot low, that's why. Wait, I'll make you shoot the pheasant load. You'd shoot this one before. So same thing, just put them good and in your shoulder and kind of lean forward into them, and then cover, so the red cover a rock.
See, I can't use 2 eyes.
Oh well, yeah, just if you cannot, yeah, but shotgun, you know, aim, you just point and shoot.
It's double vision for me.
Yeah, well, if you gotta close one eye, just yeah, sometimes you gotta just get used to. Yeah, and then so just cover up the bead with the, cover a rock with the bead, and hang on pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Little bit high, but you got him. Shoot him again. Get one more. Just yeah.
My shoulder is sore.
Oh, for real. Okay. Yeah, shoot him. But not too bad though.
If you had dogs.
Yeah.
Well, I could push it, but you don't want me to.
What?
I said I could go push it, but you don't want me to.
We'll fly down though.
Huh?
Oh, right there. Oh, get some action over here. Oh, freaking there, close over there. The road is over there.
Mm-hmm.
I hear the dogs. So what you do is you walk and you stop. When you stop, you can confuse the birds and they might flash. What is that?
They went right up over to her park.
Who is that?
The guys.
Oh. They're walking off.
Came right through the zone and everything.
Where let go? Okay. Oh, his truck right there. There's his truck right there. Yeah, this is, I guess this is one good flight to Kauai now, yeah. You get your backpack with you. Oh, okay. Oh, try take out the shells in there. I get my dove loaders in there. Huh? One headland. Oh, thank you.